Jared na. Hoy, Jared. Remind ko lang sa'yo ha. Don't Carlos Yulo me. I want you to Manny Pacquiao me. Do you understand what I mean?
You want me to box you?
No! No! What the heck? You're gonna punch me? Sabi ko, wag mo kong i-Carlos Yulo.
She just said Manny Pacquiao her. He's literally a boxer.
Yeah, but Manny Pacquiao loves his mama very much. Napampered niya si Nanay Junicia. Dapat ganun ka rin sa akin, ha? Hindi yung papaiyakin mo ko katulad ni Carlos Yulo. Do you understand me? Ha? Naintindihan mo ko?
Yeah.
Kaya don't Carlos Yulo me. You have to Manny Pacquiao me. Nako, i-video ko to para may evidence ako. You're gonna get mad at me if I'm gonna say something against your girlfriend?
It has to be a valid reason.
Yeah, what if your girlfriend will gonna wear igot-igot short?
What is that?
You got something to say about your girlfriend? I don't like the way she wears clothes. Tana yung igot-igot. Oh, magagalit ka sa akin?
No.
What you gonna do?
Talk to her?
You're gonna talk to her girlfriend? And then what if your girlfriend will gonna get mad at me?
If she's like not good, then why would I stay with her?
Wow, dapat ganon. Ipaglaban mo ko, anak mo. Okay, we're gonna say something and then you just talk to her, right? And then we're gonna talk to her, and if she gets mad at me, then she's not the right girl for you. But if she will do something about it, you know, to accommodate what I prefer, then she's a good girl.
Well, it depends what it is.
Katulad niya yan, pag nagsuot siya ng igot-igot na short, the booty short, yung igot-igot, nakita na. Oh, it's not good from the eyes of, especially when we're gonna go to the Philippines, people are gonna criticize her.
Yeah, I don't think I'd let someone wear booty shorts in the Philippines.
Yeah,
Especially if they're white.
Dapat ako ang number one bago yung girlfriend.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Okay, I love you.